फाइनली वो घड़ी आ ही गई जिसका मुझे तो बेसब्री से इंतजार था. Let's welcome the newest beauty in our office, that is iPhone 16 Pro, and I have this beautiful natural titanium color in my hands. Hello everyone, I am Samira Siddiqui and you are watching Gadgets 360, and today we will be taking a closer look at the iPhone 16 Pro. This is Apple's latest flagship smartphone that is packed with a lot of interesting features. So let's dive in and take a closer look at the top 5 things that you should know about iPhone 16 Pro. So the first thing we notice when we see a phone is the back panel, especially for its color. So the iPhone 16 Pro is available in 4 colors, that is black, white, natural and desert titanium. But right after that, our attention goes straight to the display. So keeping that in mind, let's talk about it. The iPhone 16 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display, which means you will get a larger display real estate for binge watching and gaming. There is a 0.2-inch difference compared to the iPhone 15 Pro, and as you can see in the video, it's still quite accessible even with just your thumb. You will still get promotion, which means you can scroll through social media posts at a refresh rate of 120Hz. So the iPhone 16 Pro features a new camera control button on the side, and this button provides quick access to camera functions with a single click. In terms of functionality, you can adjust camera setting using the camera control button. For example, a light press activates a haptic click to launch the camera app, while a full press captures a photo. To record a video, simply press and hold the camera control button. And once iOS 18.1 arrives, the same button will let you access Apple Intelligence features. For those who are passionate about photography, the iPhone 16 Pro comes with advanced and bigger camera capabilities than the standard model that doesn't offer it. These Pro models feature a telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom, which was only available with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The camera module also includes a 48-megapixel ultra-wide shooter compared to the 12-megapixel lens on the regular iPhone 16. You can record 4K slow-motion video at 120 FPS and enjoy superior audio quality thanks to the 4-microphone setup. The Pro series stands out with enhanced image stabilization, adaptive True Tone Flash, night mode for portraits, and support for Pro RAW and Pro Resolution video formats. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the impressive A18 Pro chip. Here is what you need to know. One of the most notable upgrades across the iPhone 16 lineup is improved battery life, especially for the Pro models. Apple claims the iPhone 16 Pro offers up to 27 hours of video playback and 85 hours of audio playback. It appears the Pro models lead the way in battery performance across the board. Now let's talk about the features. The A18 Pro chip is fabricated with a 3nm process and includes a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine. The neural engine will power most of the Apple Intelligence features such as the context-aware Siri, which is expected to arrive later this year. It's 15% faster and offers 20% improved graphics performance compared to the A17 Pro chip. The A18 Pro also supports advanced media features such as promotion, always-on display, faster USB 3 speeds compared to the base models, and the ProRes video processing. Now let's talk about its AI performance. The 16-core neural processing unit can handle 35 TOPS of performance, similar to the previous generation. However, Apple claims that the newest chipset will offer faster performance and better efficiency. Last but not the least, Apple has introduced a new audio mix feature that will enhance your video sound and experience. This is how it works. The feature uses Apple Intelligence and spatial audio to offer 3 separate audio channels. The in-frame mode only captures the voices of the people on camera, ignoring any background noises off camera. Studio mode adds an effect that makes the voices of people on camera sound like they have been recorded professionally. Apple claims this mode will make the audio sound like it was recorded in a professional studio equipped with sound dampening walls. Now the last one, cinematic mode. Cinematic mode captures all the different sounds around the microphone and consolidates them toward the front of the screen. This is exactly how sound is formatted in the movies. As you can see, the iPhone 16 Pro comes with new features and upgrades. There is a lot more to explore about the new camera control button and the telephoto lens. Also, do not forget that the Apple Intelligence such as writing tool, cleanup, advanced Siri and many more is coming in this smartphone very soon. Also, why don't you tell us in the comments if you are impressed by the Apple's newest beauty, and do let us know in the comment section if you are going to buy it or not. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets 360 because we are very close to hitting 1 million subscribers. I will see you in the next one.